I wanted something to make my wiring look a little bit more dressed up, but I wanted something to hide the wires and keep them from getting tangled, but I didn't want to also bundle them. You can bundle your wires and zip tie and go back and forth. I wanted something that was really simple to attach and detach, and then I came up with this 2x2 Raceway. So this 2x2 cable Raceway, you get two 3.3 foot, so a little over a yard of this, or sorry, meter, I should say. So you get 3.3 feet. Now, this one is really tight here, so you can see the guidance here. So I can weave these wires in and out and run them through the Raceway however I want. And then when I put the cover on, it's all protected and it looks super clean. And that's what I was going for, is I want this bilge compartment to look super clean. Now, if I need to add a component, change some wiring around, do whatever, as you saw, I can pull these covers off, I can go in and I can relay out my wires, and in just a few minutes, I've got everything the way I want it, and then I can slide these back on. The way they slide back on, you put them from one side and you pinch them as they go, or you can snap them over if you've got a short enough run, and there you go. So now I've got a cover, and that's gonna look a lot cleaner. There are many different sizes that this stuff comes in and different heights. So this is 2" by 2". So this one is about 1.5 inches, let's see. So it says 40 by 30, so a little over 1 inch to about 1.5 inches. So inch on the thinner side and tall 40 millimeters. So this one, is it labeled? Yeah. So this one is 25, so it's exactly 1 inch high by 1.5 inches wide. So you can get different sizes and kind of run these however you need, which can be really, really interesting if you want to clean your wiring up. Now, this is not limited to just DC circuits. You can actually take this and use this as cable cleanup, cable guides for your desk. And the beauty is it has an output every 1/2 inch or so here. So you can run your cables out. Now, in some of these, I might actually cut the little bridge piece out, and that's okay. So I can cut those to make them fit better.